Participation and the digital divide. The digital divide is a way of explaining the differences in access to information and digital components. This could be down to the differences in social or economic class. Some countries don't have the same access to much of the equipment that we take for granted in a classroom or in life in general. Technology has become more affordable and accessible in comparison to previous generations, but there is still a divide in who has access to it. According to the 2012 Pew Report Digital Differences, only 62% of people in households making less than $30,000 a year use the internet, while in those making $50,000 to $74,999, that percentage jumped to 90%. This is by Liz Sultan in 2016. This shows the discrepancy between how economic status determines whether access to digital content is prohibited or not. Also, in a Pew survey of teachers of low-income students tended to report more obstacles to using educational technology effectively than their peers in more affluent schools. This is also by Liz Sultan in 2016. This shows that teaching students who don't have access to the same technologies as more fortunate students has been more difficult. Access to internet is also different within Australia. The ACT has the highest proportion of internet connection at 74% of households, while Tasmania and South Australia at 49% and 54% respectively have the lowest. This is by Jennifer Howell in 2012, page 56 of Teaching with IST book. While most of this internet use is generally lifestyle related, they also contribute towards a greater understanding of digital fluency and competency. It helps with the familiarity to terms such as email and Google. Also helps with students getting familiar with some digital technologies. By Jennifer Howell in 2016, page 56. We need to bridge this digital divide so every student and teacher has access to all the necessary tools to learn and teach to their fullest capabilities.